Multilogin makes it easy to manage your multiple accounts with built-in proxies. In this demo, we'll create a browser profile with a French proxy. Let's get started. Open your Multilogin workspace. The beginner-friendly UI will help you view and manage your profiles. Click Create to add a new profile. Give your profile a clear name. You can use pre-made cookies for websites. This helps the profile behave like a real user. Use tags and notes to categorize profiles by client, region, or campaign. Later, you can filter or search by these tags. Choose which tab opens first and select the browser core, storage, and OS type for your profile. Mobile browser profile emulation is also available if you need realistic mobile behavior for your accounts. Go to the Proxy tab. Select residential or mobile proxies and pick HTTPS or SOCKS 5 protocol. Choose a country, region, or even a city for the proxy. Multilogin provides built-in, high-quality residential proxies for your accounts. You can pick a specific ISP if needed to make the connection look even more realistic. Click Check Proxy to make sure your profile is using the correct IP and location. Adjust fingerprint settings if needed. Multilogin gives you over 55 fingerprint controls to make each profile look like a real separate user. Click Create to save your profile with your chosen proxy and settings. Your profile is now ready. You can use it for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, or any platform where you need multiple accounts. If you use the same proxy settings often, you can save them as a proxy template for reuse. Click Create to add a new template. Enter your proxy details, location, proxy type, and protocol, exactly like you did before when creating a new profile. Save your template and close the window. Your template is now in the list. Next time you create a profile, simply select it from the Proxy tab to apply your settings instantly. Go back to your profile and click Start. A window opens. Check your IP, location, and browser settings. If everything looks correct, your French profile is ready to use. With Multilogin, you can easily manage hundreds of accounts and grow your business at scale. Start your trial today.